You know how some days you just can't face that troublesome undercarriage leg, or masking that canopy, or even doing the stencils on the bottom of your Phantom? Well, basically your mojo's low. You need something to boost it up. You need something fun. I've got just the thing for you. An egg kit. I love egg kits. And this one is of the Avro Lancaster. See what you get and how to put it together right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today, I am putting together the Meng egg kit of the Avro Lancaster bomber. I'll show you what you get inside the box for your money, then I'll show you how to put it all together. If you like the video, and I really hope you do, please do remember, give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below because every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell and you'll be notified of all my future content as it is published. And if you want to make a bit more of a concrete contribution to the channel, you can do that through super thanks, by becoming a channel member, or by using any of my online programs. This kit today was donated to the channel by Nick Johnson. Nick, thank you so very much for this, mate. It just made me laugh. I enjoyed it so very much. I hope you do too. So let's kick off and see what you get inside the box of the Meng Avro Lancaster egg plate. Right, I would normally show you the front of the box, but as you can see, a certain delivery company thought it would be great just to use this as the outside packaging and just stick some labels on it. So it's a good thing this wasn't going to be part of a collection, wasn't it, really? Anyway, I've put the proper artwork up. Anyway, you can see it. It's very similar to that at the end, basically. Very nice. On the side here are the paint layouts. Now, the only painting you're going to have to do is the camouflage on the top, because the rest of it is just black, basically. Although the weapons, I would guess you'd paint in green as well, I would have thought, rather than black. Anyway, we'll see. So this is where the decals go as well. It comes with stickers rather than water slide decals. They go on. On the back, this is the instruction sheet. Make the bombs, put them in the bomb. But I mean, this is all click together stuff as well. That's the other point here. It isn't. You don't have to glue it. I'm going to glue some of it together because I want it to be fairly permanent. But you don't have to. Transparencies click in one piece, which is actually quite nice. Turrets are very basic. Everything's quite basic, but then it's a caricature, so it would be, wouldn't it? And here you have the frame layouts. Got 3 frames, 2 halves of the wings, top of the fuselage, and the bottom of the fuselage, and wings, and the tail planes all molded into one. So let's have a look and see what you actually get inside the box. Okay, as you can see, there's loads of bits. So let's get those out of the way. These are our stick-on markings. Kind of tempted to maybe replace them, but I don't know that I've got anything in the RAF Red in that scale. That maybe 1/44th scale, 144th scale might work. I'm also not entirely sure about the shark's mouths around the engines, but anyway, I'll worry about that in a little bit. But these are stick-on ones. It's a kid's toy, let's be honest. So, they're stick-ons. The bulk of the kit is the base, which, as I said before, is a single piece molding of the bottom of the aircraft, the wings, engine pods. The tailplane is a complete unit, so I'm guessing this is like a multiple slide molding. Interesting that the H2S actually comes with a transparent rear, which is kind of nice. Bomb bay goes here, of course. The cockpit goes here. Rear turret. I don't know. I think they have got mid-upper turret, nose turret, and bomb aimer's position here. Wings will clip on here on top of the engines. So that's one part here. The top of the fuselage comes in one piece. As you can see, there's the window frames, so they just slot the transparency for the window in. This is where the mid-upper turret goes, and the thing just sort of clicks into the top of the fuselage. Wings, there are two halves of the wings. Again, just clip on single pieces. So we will put some green on these, so we'll spray them up and put some green on as well. In terms of actual frames, they are few and far between. This is frame A, so it's the bomb bay and the bottom half of the chin of the fuselage. Guns here, the undercarriage is here, and the engines, well, propellers are there, sort of on the tail wheel. This frame C is the bomb load. So two halves of like a cookie type bomb there and some HE bombs there. Now, sadly, most of the transparencies have come off their frame. Anyway, so that's the main canopy transparency with the astrodome at the back, and as I mentioned, that sort of slots in. You can see there's quite deep recesses here. That slots into the upper fuselage, and then there's mainly gun turrets. I think that's the front of the H2S, and that's the bomb aimer's nose. First thing I'm going to do is to start painting. Now, as the top and bottom halves are essentially joined at the paint line, this works really well. First colour is dark earth. After that, I can mask off some of the paint with some goo and go over with some dark green. The rest of the base of the aircraft gets painted black. First thing we need to do is put the bombs into the bomb bay. Now, they say to put the front and back racks of bombs in first. It's kind of difficult to see where they go, I have to say. Oh, that looks about right. And then the cookie right in the middle. Okay. That will do nicely. That's more bombs than Airfix give you. Then we put the bomb bay into the base of the aircraft, like so. Then slot the undercarriage legs into the inner engine nacelle. Each propeller set with the spinner has been painted black. I'll put yellow tips on the props. These axles are just going to locate them into the finished aircraft. I've pre-painted the camouflage on the upper surfaces, so with this part I can just click the transparency into place, like so, and then put it into the kit, like so. Then on each wing you put the propellers into the engine nacelles, like so, and then you put the upper surface of the wing on. Suddenly it starts really looking like a Lancaster. Then you can go around the plane just putting on the transparent parts like this bomb aimer's position here. There are some gun positions here, so like gun turrets, but put the clear parts on first. Finally, the markings can go on. These are just stickers. Peel them off the sheet and stick them on the plane. So there it is, the Avro Lancaster in egg form from Meng. I loved making this. I like egg kits anyway. I loved making this. I think it captures the essence of the Lancaster. I think it's a remarkably lovely kit. It goes together so easily that absolutely anyone can make this. But, you know, it goes together nicely enough that you can paint it up and it looks good, I think, anyway. Especially the frames for the canopy. You can paint everything beforehand, then slot the canopy glass in. No masking required. Excellent stuff. The only thing I didn't like about the kit were the stickers for the markings. If they'd have been water slide decals, I would have been even happier. But you know what? It's a lovely kit. It's a lovely tribute, in a way, to an aircraft of 415 Squadron. Royal Canadian Air Force. It is actually based on a real aeroplane. So I've enjoyed it. I had a hoot making it, and I hope I get to build some more heavy bombers in egg form before too long. There we go. You know, it's fun. It's easy. They make me smile so much. They're just a lovely caricature that lifts my spirits, brings back that mojo. I feel like I can take on a Junkers 88 undercarriage and even mask the canopy of an Arado. Not maybe doing the stenciling on a Phantom just yet, but hey, maybe I just need to build another kit and one day I will. Nick, thanks so much, my friend, for that mojo boost. If you've liked the video, I hope you have, please remember, give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, be they reviews, regular kits, egg kits, or anything else, please do remember, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and you'll be notified of all my future content as it is published. Thank you so very much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed yourselves. Take very good care now, and goodbye.